everyone, Avrey Charles here, and today we're diving into the sweet and festive world of holiday barn crafting with cookie kits. So grab your aprons and let's get started. This right here isn't just a box of cookies, it's a magical journey waiting to happen. Now, building a holiday barn takes a lot of skill, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. The first skill you want is precision. When you're kneading together these pre-cut pieces, you need to make sure they fit right, like a tasty puzzle that you get to eat later. That's weird. Next up is creativity. Decorating holiday barns where the real fun begins. Use your imagination to turn this play-out gingerbread into a festive masterpiece. Now let's talk about the benefits of building a holiday barn with a crafting cookie kit. First off, it's a fantastic way to spend time with your family. Everyone can join in, and you can create memories that will last a lifetime. Plus, it's a tasty way to develop patience. Waiting for the icing to dry before adding more decorations requires a bit of self-control. But trust me, the end result is worth it. Now, let's talk about the sensory needs. The smell of gingerbread, the feel of the icing squishing through your fingers, it's like a holiday wonderland for your senses. And let's not forget the sweet taste of success when you take that first bite. Did you know that the tradition of making gingerbread houses date back to medieval Europe? They were originally inspired by Brothers Grimm fairy tale, Hansel and Gretel. People started to make these delicious houses, and over time, it became a symbol of warmth and celebration during the holiday season. Nowadays, building gingerbread houses is like a cherished tradition for many families all around the world. It brings people together, sparks creativity, and also sprinkles joy in the holiday season. So, whether you're a seasoned gingerbread architect or just a first-time builder, grab a crafting cookie kit, unleash your creativity, and enjoy the festive magic that comes with building a holiday barn. Who knows? Maybe it might become a tradition in your family too. Thanks for joining me on this sweet adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own holiday barn creations in the comments below. Happy crafting and happy holidays. Until next time, this is Avrey Charles signing off. Stay curious!